If you've been relying on painkillers every time your body aches, or when you're having joint pain, or even fever, just hold on for a second. Because I know how we do it. Small pain, drug. Body is hot, drug. Headache, drug. In fact, we become a walking pharmacy ourselves. But sometimes, your body is not just asking for pain relief, it's asking for support. And there's something many of us are ignoring, and it's right here with us. I'm talking about a local fruit many of you already know as the African black plum. The Igbo people call it bam bam. You might know it by a different name where you are from. You can tell me in the comment section. But scientifically, it is known as Vitex doniana. I am not talking about the foreign blackberries because people often confuse the two, but no, this one is very unique. This fruit contains natural compounds that help the body reduce inflammation. Now, why is that important? Because inflammation is at the root of many things we complain about. Joint pain, arthritis, even general body aches. So instead of only trying to numb the pain from outside, you're giving your body something powerful that supports it from inside. It doesn't even stop there. The antioxidants in this fruit help protect your body from everyday damage and play a role in wound healing and recovery. Your body is constantly repairing itself. Help 'em small. And what I find most interesting is that this is something our parents and grandparents already knew, but somehow moved away from it, thinking the solution must always come from something packaged or imported. Now, let me be very clear. This is not a replacement for proper medical care. If you're dealing with persistent joint pain, fever, or wounds that are not healing, please see a doctor. Natural support is powerful, but it works best alongside proper medical evaluation. But don't ignore what is already around you. Sometimes the simplest things are doing the most for your body. If you want more simple foods that can actually support your body, hit subscribe. I've got you.